Good morning, everybody. It's a new week in the market, short week. Thursday market is closed, and Friday is until 1 p.m. If you know premiums option behavior, don't think today is Monday. Consider today like Tuesday afternoon. That's how you have to consider premiums. They have only 3.5 day in them, not 5 days as usual. Anyhow, so there is a drama in Microsoft going on about OpenAI. We'll go over there when I get to Microsoft. Yes, what's most interesting is that the weekly MACD is golden crossing. That's a very good news for bulls, and daily is very bullish still, but 4 hour still downward. So we need right now my kind of indexes are still inside a box, waiting for a catalyst for any news or anything to jump it up or drop it down. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Even if we drop down, just keep in mind it's gonna be a huge opportunity for deep buy. General trend market is up, and we most likely will continue going higher after Thanksgiving week. Not sure what's gonna happen. My prediction is and was that we're gonna have a pullback in the Thanksgiving week, but so far nothing. So we'll see. Next target, if we run up, is 45.94 on the ES. 45.94.53. Pre-market, 5 minutes is up, 15 is upward, can golden cross anytime, 30 is up, 1 hour is up, but 4 hour bars are decreasing, but doesn't it means slow down and consolidation. On the 4 hour chart, you can see it's just inside a box. And futures were red a little bit, and then it bounced up on Microsoft news, and then it pulled back. Now it's recovering, so it's just kind of yo-yo. And keep in mind, it's Thanksgiving week, and volumes can be very low, and moves can be sudden and small range. And we'll see what names. Mostly have to focus on names. The indexes need a catalyst, a big news to move them. NQ, same thing. 5 is up, 15 is not golden cross yet, 30 minutes up, 1 hour up, 4 hour kind of in the box still. But I like that you got a yellow bar. Weekly MACD is about to golden cross, and daily is still bullish. Dow Jones, weekly MACD is golden cross. That's a very good news, and everything is running up a little bit right now, slow motion. And RUT, we got yellow bars and continue second yellow bar. If weekly MACD and RUT golden crosses, is gonna be very good for small caps into the year end. TNX is opening green. That's the only trouble we have, but right now it's pulling back. Weekly MACD is dead cross. Daily is still downward, but 4 hour getting a golden cross. So just keep that in mind. 43.71. That's the next key level to watch. If it breaks that one, I can go lower level and market can rip up higher. 45.74. Again, if it goes above that, it's gonna be trouble. Economic calendar, we have 11:30 a.m. we have 3 and 6 months bill auction. At 1 p.m. we have 20-year bond auction, and tomorrow we have FOMC and Nvidia earning, the most important thing going on this week. DXY weekly MACD is dead cross, that is downward and is opening below 103.676. Next target there is 103.183 and 102.795. The lower DXY goes, the higher text can fly up. VIX 2% higher. Weekly MACD is dead cross, but daily just keep an eye on it, because we got yellow bar on the TTM squeeze daily and 4 hours upwards. So most likely it's gonna hold up here. Is holding up above 1373 for now. And last few days it's just coming up, going up and downs, and need to have a big breakdown below 1373 to have a rip up for market. But otherwise it's possible next 5 days or 10 days we have some big green days there. And what we'll see, 4 hour, and we need to see need to wait for the next 4 hour dead cross. Once that one confirms, can have another big rip up for market. What else you got here? BTC is green. Weekly MACD very bullish, and daily is just kind of in the box, up and down for now. Apple 190.20, 190.96. That was the high of last week, and right now pre-market start jumping after 8 a.m. Next key levels to watch, there is 191.7. As I mentioned, Apple did a huge U cover U. Let me open this one. Apple did a huge U recovery on daily and weekly charts, and right now, if it does break 191.7, it can run up to 192, 193, and 194.02. But at the same time, I keep mentioning, be cautious. If it starts pull back, it can go for a cup and handle, and then later on higher. The weekly MACD is golden cross. That's very good. Until we don't have a dark blue bar, this one can keep continue going up, and not expecting a major pullback. Now Amazon pre-market running up too. This one showed a lot of strength last 2 days, so this is the third day today. 145.71 is key. If it passes that one, we're looking at 146.85, 148.3. Pre-market looking stronger compared to other names. 515 is upward. If 30 minutes MACD golden cross can run up higher, but this 145.71 is just like a tough level, so we'll see. 4 hour is still in the golden cross mode. 1 hour is still bullish upward, and daily and weekly is still bullish, but we have slowness, which this dark blue bars on daily shows a slowness and a speed of rise up. Nvidia has earning this week, and 4 hours still downward. Daily is very bullish still. Weekly is still very bullish. 503 was all-time high, so there is a chance, there is a possibility we hit 503. Premiums are super expensive right now, out of the monies, or in the below put and calls, so it's all we need a bigger move to move the premiums. So for today, you want to watch if it jumps up 498, 501.37, and 503. Those are the key level. 503 all-time high passes, 511 comes easily. But if 495 can hold it, retest 493 and lower level. Again, 15 minutes MACD is dead cross already, so it's gonna be a wild move. It's possible to jump up, pull back, and maybe pull back then jump up. We have to see actions at open. But more high likely is all-time high is gonna hit before earning, and then we'll see what the earning does. AVGO, waiting for the Nvidia earning, very bullish on daily and weekly, all about 983.72. If it passes that one, we're looking at 986, 990, 994.66, and 1003. Baba, this one is still on the rundown, still don't have a yellow bar in the 4 hours, so it's still chance for a slowdown, consolidation, and maybe more fall there. If falls more, we're looking at 76.38, 75.37. Those are the next target there. Netflix, it's on the run up still, but the 4 hour is dead crossing right now, so there is some slowness coming up there. Daily, we have dark blue bar got on Friday. It's in the overbought zone, so gotta be cautious now. Weekly is still very bullish. If it's possible, last few days it was many times happened that it pulled back, then it jumped up again. So if it pulls back again, we're looking at 463, 461.32 next support. But if it jumps up and passes 467, we're looking at 471.68 next target there. Meta, weekly is still not golden cross, daily very bullish, and 4 hour we got yellow bar, so it's all about 335.82. If it passes that one, then we can run up to the higher level, 338, 341, 345. Nvidia earning can have a big effect on it. Pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour is downward, so if it pulls back, which don't see any sign of it, but if it pulls back 333, 331, those are the next support. It can maybe touch it down and then bounce up again. Tesla, our favorite, my favorite name at least. Very bullish still on daily, and every dip is getting bought. Weekly, we got yellow bar last week, but the pullback caused it to go red again, and the close pull back into the close again, make it red. Anyhow, so this week is very key on Tesla. 235.7, if it passes, we're looking at 236.67, 237.9, and then but right now there is mixed signal, not clear what's gonna happen, so we have to see actions at open. 233.51, 232.15, those are the next support. Passes either way of these, either one of these, 232 and 237.9, it can have a bigger move either way. Again, market is attacking, a lot of people are attacking Elon Musk, so there is a danger there, but overall Tesla is ready to shoot up, so at some point eventually it's ready to go crazy higher. Microsoft was crazy, so on Friday news hit in, it came down, then it did some recovery into the close, and then it went lower after close to 365 or something, 363, 365. Then this morning they announced that they're gonna hire him back, and it went higher, made a new all-time high 280, and then it pulled back, and right now it's recovering. So it's gonna move a lot today, and it's gonna be a volatile move. Overall, we have a dark blue bar on daily, so showing some weakness there. Pre-market right now, 5, 15, 30 is downward. Need to pay attention to the levels. So if it goes, it's already open. It's already below the open close on Friday, so it's all about 368.13. If 368.13 passes, we're looking at 366.38, 365.29. If it goes above, if it can recover 370, it can go higher. But the chance for it to fall is more for the chance for it to fly up. And the thing is, it's just a drama going on. They didn't reinstate him as a CEO as OpenOI. They just put him back in the new AI department at Microsoft. So that's kind of an insult, and that's easier for them, to lay their fire him. So it's just kind of like a BS what happened, and we'll see. We'll see the actions at Open. It's possible to have some jump up at Open, but overall, I think it's gonna fail and go lower again. Anyhow, next name Google. Google was kind of winning into the Friday because of the Sam Altman leaving. Google was jumping, and it had a nice close yesterday on Friday. And right now it's just very volatile moves. 4 hour or 1 hour overall is downward. Still very bullish on daily until we don't have a dark blue bar. Dips can be bought here, and need to pay attention to the levels. So 134.15 is a support. If it can hold it, can retest lower levels. But if it jumps up 135.59, that's the next key level for run up higher. AMD all up to Nvidia earning this week. So pre-market right now, all of the MACDs from 5 to 4 hour is downward. Need to break 121.6 if Nvidia runs, and 121.6 and AMD passes, we can run up to the higher level 123.37 and even higher. All about the earning. If earning is good, 130 can come easily on AMD. And then again, because if for supports you want to watch 119, 118, 73 if it gives a pullback at open. Boeing, because of the war, they're making an agreement to cease fire for 5 days. It helped it. Right now it's gapping up 3 points. It's all about 211.95. If it does pass that one, we're looking at 214.61, 218, 223.2 targets for this week. Pre-market right now 515 is dead cross, but it's still 31 hour is bullish. If the 4 hour MACD golden crosses today, it's possible for running up higher. SPY is opening a little bit green, so if it passed 451.18 is strong. This week today we're looking for next target 454, 457.78. Pre-market 5 is up, 15 is about to golden cross, and 31 hour is upward. 4 hour, once you got a yellow light blue bar on the 4 hour or 4 hour MACD golden cross, it's gonna be another shoot up leg up on market. QQQ, it's all about 387.33 or 385. It's just right now it's inside the box, big box. I mean, it's a very tight box. 385, 387.33. Every time it goes below 385, 385, it jumps back inside, and it's been hard for it to break 387.33. Breaks 387.33, we're looking for next target 390, 394.89. If it goes below 385, next supports are 382, 379.77. What else we got here? MSTR, because the BTC went up, but right now it's pulling back. Roku, 93 is opening, so 93.64. That's the key level you want to watch. Passes that one. Next target there is 94.6, 96.15. PanW did a nice recovery last 2 days, but Microsoft News made it some pullback there. So 247, 245, those are the next support. Then possible to touch down and bounce up again. What else? You got USO. Oil is jumping because of the news of Israel and Hamas ceasing fire. And 72.85 passes, we can go run up higher. 73.75. If we get more oil cut, it can run up back to 76. What else you got here? Expedia, nothing pre-market, but keep an eye on travel stocks. Airbnb, same thing. Coin, it jumped up over 100, but right now it's showing some weaknesses. So 102, if it jumps up again, 102 and 105. 38, those are the next target there. What else you got here? gold, it's pulling back. It went up, but right now it's pulling back. So next support there is 180, 181.75, 180.78. Caterpillar 4 hours dead crossing, so 249.39. That's the next support if it can't hold it lower level. Yep, that's pretty much it. Again, it's this week. It's low volume, so keep that in mind. There's gonna be a lot of fake jump up, fake drops, because the low volume. Don't expect every jump up or every drop have a big and continuation, and so it's possible. Just be cautious on the low volume weeks, and if you see high volume coming in on any drop or any fly up, that means it can be a solid, and premiums can run up very fast. And the more the market consolidates and stays in the range, the more algos kill premiums both side, for especially for this week expiration. And because in general they expect nothing to happen, but once something happens, the premiums move very fast and very big. Anyway, that's pretty much it, and have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in.